Hi all. So recently I got an aquarium in my office. So not a big one, this much small one. And they asked me to put only six fishes in it. And they asked me not to go more than that. All were goldfishes. Goldfish, the orange color kind. And I liked them so much that I added two more fishes. So totally I made them eight. And in one day, all the seven of them died, and just one survived. Only one survived, right? And the reason is because they are not having enough food and enough oxygen. I think it took 2 days or something like that, and all the seven died. Now we have only one goldfish, and I got some other fish now. So then that's not the matter actually. So what did you understand from this is, I remembered one book that I read long back. I don't know the author name. The book name is 21 Minutes to Focus. So it was published in 2010 or something. I read back then. I don't remember the author name. You can just read it, 21 Minutes to Focus. So in that, the author compares our human life just to a buffet in a buffet party. So he says that our life is also like having dinner at a buffet party, where we have a lot of interesting items in the buffet and a small plate, right? Now if you take everything that is available there, you will not have a happy ending there, right? So you will not be able to even if you eat everything which is available there, it is not going to be good for your health, and also you are not going to have a good night's sleep, right? So life is also like that. Now if you take too many things into your let's say into your life, you will not be able to provide them with enough attention that is required, right? So just like how a fish has died, if you take too many things in your life, more than what you could handle, you will not be able to provide the attention to everything. Just like how I failed to provide food and oxygen to fish, you will not be able to provide the attention to all the people or all the things in your life, and eventually everyone will leave, or you will not succeed in anything. So those who are preparing for GATE, my suggestion is that just focus on one thing, GATE, nothing else. Even when I was preparing for GATE in my BTech bachelor days, I was a college topper in my first year. I think I had got some 86% or something, and then I wrote my GATE in sixth semester. Back then I was allowed to write in third year as well as in fourth year. We were allowed. So I took my GATE exam in sixth semester, and in fifth semester and sixth semester I completely left all the subjects in BTech, which means only I focused on subjects which are in GATE, and I completely neglected the remaining subjects completely, right? And in my first year my percentage was 86, and gradually I think in sixth semester my percentage fell down so badly. I think it was 69 or so. Yeah, it is not so bad, but overall I maintained some 75% or something in BTech, but it didn't matter, right? So what I meant to say is, just focus on one thing, because if you focus on one thing, you will be able to give your full attention to it, right? And there are chances that you will succeed at it. Just like how you could provide how I'm providing this oxygen to one fish now, right? And also coming to people as well. So don't try to have too many people in your life. You can't just do justice to everyone, right? If you have too many friends, then what happens is you will not be able to spend time with everyone, and eventually you will not be able to form a very strong bond or long lasting relationship with anyone. That is obviously a waste of time, right? So that is why just be I can say rude when cutting down people, right? Just keep only those people whom you could provide your full attention with. I mean to say, either people or things or anything, don't try to have too many, right? That is what I meant to say. Now you might feel that if you cut down the people, then they might feel bad. Yeah, they might feel bad, but eventually, after all, the most important thing is your own well-being, right? So if you are not happy, if you are not if you are not having that full energy because you are losing it on others, then what is the use in living that kind of life, right? So it is better to hurt others for some time rather than hurting everyone and yourself, right? And similarly, try to have one goal, or very little goals. Very small goals or very few goals, so that you will be able to achieve them. That is what I meant to say. Okay. Yeah, so that is it.